Welcome to In Jamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving west on Port Royal Street in downtown Kingston. This is the East Street intersection. Port Royal Street continues straight and the left will take you to the waterfront. Making the left onto East Street towards the waterfront. Bank of Jamaica building is just ahead. Turning right onto Nethersole Place. Bank of Jamaica is on the left. Scotiabank is on the right. Jamaica Conference Center is just ahead. Making the left onto Ocean Boulevard. If I had made the right, that right would have taken me onto Duke Street. We are now approaching the waterfront. To the left is the Kingston Harbour, which is the 7th largest natural harbour in the world. And looking across the harbour, you can see Port Royal as well as the Norman Manley International Airport. On the left, extending along the harbour, is the Kingston Waterfront Park, and it is a relaxed setting. The road to the right is Church Street, and the building to the right houses Accountant General's Department Pension and Loan. To the left is the Victoria Pier. The road to the right is King Street, and Tax Administration Downtown Office is located just right, also on King Street. Additionally, King Street can take you to the heart of downtown Kingston, that is to Parade Square. At Parade Square you can find St. William Grant Park. The road to the right here is Orange Street. The building to the right here houses the Jamaica Constabulary Force Recruiting Center. The road to the right is Princess Street. On the right we are passing Digicel head office. Digicel is a mobile phone network company in Jamaica. In this area was the old ferry jetty. You could have boarded the ferry here in downtown Kingston and go across to Port Royal. The road to the right is West Street. The town of Port Royal just across was once known as Sin City, the wickedest city on earth, until an earthquake tumbled much of it into the sea in 1692. Yes, Port Royal was once referred to as the wickedest city on earth, but that is hard to imagine right now, as it is one of the most peaceful places in Jamaica. On the left is the Kingston Craft Market. We are now at the intersection of Ocean Boulevard, Port Royal Street and Peachon Street. Port Royal Street is running left to right and Peachon Street is a one-way, so I can't go up that road. However, the Coronation Market is located a few meters ahead. The Coronation Market is the largest farmers market in the Caribbean. Please remember to subscribe to In Jamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.